What are the first healthy changes you'll notice in your body when you start drinking water from Tyant's all-new 11-plate model? Will you have more energy, lose weight, or just feel great from the improvement in your overall wellness? The fact that this machine has 11 plates makes all the difference. It means better pH levels, more antioxidants, and a faster flow rate so that you have the healthiest, most hydrating water on the planet, dispensed twice as fast as any other water ionizer on the market. Not only is it easy to use, but it has a timeless look that fits perfect in today's modern decor. If your house is more traditional, you'll have a welcomed conversation piece. Either way, you'll have a new center of attention in your kitchen. With the unmatched aesthetics of the UCE11, it's no wonder that it's been featured in million-dollar homes in both the US and Canada. Tyant gives you 75 days to prove us right. And you should know that more than 99% of our customers keep their Tyant water ionizer after trying it in their home. Are you going to love it as much as me, or are you going to love it even more? With Tyant's Love It Guarantee, you have 75 days to try it in your home and find out for yourself.